Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is my first voiceover, so bear with me. So I'm just gonna show you guys my updated makeup routine. I am not a professional by any means, but I've just been practicing some new techniques and I love how this look turned out, so stay tuned. So as you guys can see, the first thing that I did was applied my moisturizer. Now I'm just doing my brows. I used the e.l.f. brow pen, don't know what it's called, and I just use it to fill in my brows, and then after I'm gonna take a little spoolie and just brush them out until I like how they look. Now I'm just putting on some primer. I don't always do this step, but I wanted my makeup to last since it would have been hot. So yeah, I don't use any specific brand of makeup, usually drugstore, so you can use any brand primer you want. Next, I'm just applying some foundation to my face. I use very little and I only really apply it to my T-zone just for some coverage, nothing too heavy. I don't apply a lot and I just spray it onto my brush and then I apply it.
Girl, I just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, step back, will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't let it go.
So once my foundation has been completely blended in, I just go in with my bronzer. I love bronzer. I apply it to all the darker parts of my face and just to kind of contour it some more.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out.
Now I go in with the most important step, which is setting my face with some loose powder. I just apply it, as you can see in the video, just mostly to my T-zone, my nose, my cheeks, and my jaw. So after I let the powder sit on my face for a little, I just brush it off with my big blending brush and I just keep blending and brushing it off until I like how I look. Next, I just go in with some more bronzer and apply it to my nose just to kind of shape it up a little. It's not really necessary, but I just add it on sometimes. Right here, I'm just applying a little highlighter to my brow bone, the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose as well. I don't always do this, but I do it sometimes.
You just step out, will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you.
This is not my favorite step. I recently started applying blush and I think it just elevates your whole look, brings some life back to your face, and I just love it. I think it makes me look like a little dolly, and I got so many compliments on my makeup that night. Right here, I'm just applying some mascara. I used to wear lashes, like lash extensions, but I haven't in a very long time, and I think mascara does the trick, so I'm gonna keep using it, and it's cheaper. Right here, I'm just doing my lip combo, which is not really a combo. I just use lip gloss and lip balm. Don't wear lipstick because I think my lips are too small for lipstick, but I love how simple and natural my whole look is.
Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
And this is the final look. If you guys enjoyed or you learned something or you want to see more of me, just like, comment, share and subscribe, and see you in my next video.